Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Radico Khaitan. Our analyst maintains buy on Radico Khaitan with a revised price target of Rs 2,644. Radico's Q2 numbers were strong, beating estimates on all fronts, with net revenues rising by 21% year-on-year and operating profit margin improving 152 bps year-on-year, leading to 33% year-on-year growth in PAT. Prestige and above brands posted 13% year-on-year volume growth. With second half expected to be good for premium segment, Radico has maintained 15 to 18% volume growth guidance for the P&A segment in FY25. Management expect price of grain, maize and rice to soften in the coming months, while glass bottle prices are likely to remain stable. Company aims for late teens operating profit margins in 3 years. Stock trades at 75 times FY25, 56 times FY26 and 44 times FY27 earnings. Next we cover Coforge Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy on Coforge with a price target of Rs 8,900. As we believe the company is well placed to see robust and sustained growth in the quarters ahead, given the strengthening of order book, strong large deal pipeline, second consecutive quarter of significant net headcount addition, and on account of synergies with Cigniti picking up momentum. We expect a sales CAGR of 23% and PAT CAGR of 27% over FY24 to 27. We maintain buy with a revised price target of Rs 8,900. At current market price, the stock trades at 49.5 times its FY25, 39.3 times its FY26 and 31.2 times FY27 EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.